never-ending demand for meaning turns it to the eventual product of design mechanism where innovation becomes an inherent stimulant. So I believe design mechanism looks like something like this. Innovation is in the very center. Design mechanism is a process which is pervasive and produces meaning as an eventual ultimate product. Considering the importance of innovation, design, and art draw parallel lines to me. However, art's innovation stems from an intangible, complex, and usually mystic nature, while design uses a systematic methodology with transparent and knowable frameworks. Design is pervasive today and produces meaning because it has successfully embraced the human-centered and organizational innovation concept as an asset to its very existence. These insights let one believe that a sustainable and independent progress of art can be based on meaning production through an organizational innovation process. I believe now the new media art enters the picture here. The emergence of new technologies enables artists to adopt such an organizational system of innovation. New media art constitutes a convenient application field for a systematic and rational way of artistic co-creation. So organizational innovation necessitates organized thinking and behavior in a shared space. Art education is the most suitable space, providing the stakeholder circle with a sustained innovation capability. With this strategic focus on art education, schools and institutions become leaders of understanding and mastering of art. The core idea of organizational innovation of art is about generating a fully flexible formability, facilitating internal and external collaboration and alliances with constantly changing goals. Hence, it involves actors from industries, technology developers, and funding resources expanding the stakeholder circle. Analyzing the design mechanism shows that constructivist design practices and front-end innovation processes are reasonable and satisfactory applications for art education. Human-centered design, HCD, is an integral part of design mechanism. It is defined as the most applied, convenient, and pragmatic form of constructivist design practice which investigates users' understandings with a number of direct and indirect methods. Today, there is a vast array of artworks which involve users actively in the creation of art pieces. However, the underlying difference is here locating the user in the center of art education, looking for an insight into the user reality and ideality. Human-centered design can embody a more specific profile, assigning users as active members of design teams. So the popularity of human-centered design has generated significant rationale and literature so far, which yield a great deal of experience and knowledge. This fact turns human-centered design to a very convenient frame of reference with conceptual models and formal methods for artistic application. However, human-centered design's integration can be inefficient as long as it is not formulated in a well-constructed structure. So front-end innovation, I believe, is suitable at this point. These early development phases of innovation are able to epitomize such a structure where human-centered design can be utilized and organized innovation constructed. A suitable model can be shown here as the fuzzy front end, which has a number of similarities with the initial phases of artistic innovation regarding the experimental nature of progress. Moreover, fuzzy front end has a more mature model called new concept development, NCD, providing the best option to manage the organizational innovation in art. So it's the original NCD model depicted with a wheel shape centered by an engine. It's created by Peter Cohen and some other authors in 2001 just to provide the literature with a common terminology regarding fuzzy front-end activities.